Hi, my name is Kelsey Kinnear and I'm a dietitian from Boone Hospital Center, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about making hearty breakfast muffins. These are just whole raw almonds that have been ground really well. So I do a cup of that, which has a lot of healthy monounsaturated fats. Then we have a cup of just plain flour, all-purpose flour. And after that we'll do some salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. So these are whole hemp seeds or hemp hearts. It's optional for this recipe, but about a third of the nutrition from this is from protein, about a third is from healthy omega-3s, and it has a lot of different minerals like zinc and magnesium and just awesome benefits, even vitamin E. So we'll just stir this up a little bit and then we'll move on to the wet ingredients. Okay, so we have zucchini and we have carrots, and I'm just gonna blend these up together because I've done it separately and it doesn't really matter. In the food processor, super fine. So just do that. If you don't have a food processor, no worries. You can always use like a grater or something like that. But what I'm gonna do is take this and put it on top of a paper towel, because ideally you're just supposed to get a lot of the excess moisture out. As you can see, I ground it really fine. So then I'm just gonna squeeze out a lot of the excess moisture. So then I'm just going to take that out and plop it in the dry ingredient bowl. All right, so I have some dates here. These aren't pre-pitted, you can buy them that way, but I'm just gonna take out the pits. I'm only doing 3 dates. But dates are super sweet and they have fiber, so they're not just like a scoop of sugar like a normal recipe would typically have, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put these in the food processor along with half a cup of applesauce and 3 eggs. So after blending for about 30 seconds, you take it out, mix it with your dry ingredients, stir it up and add it to the muffin cups. I'm gonna add these into these silicone muffin cups. It's nice because they're reusable and they actually work really well. You don't have to, spray anything with oil. They come out really well. So fill these about, I fill it pretty much the whole way up. And it makes about 11. If you did about 3/4 of a way, it'd probably make all 12. All right, so I hope you enjoy these hidden veggie muffins. They have a lot of protein and fiber, and they're really nutrient dense, but also no added sugar, and they're really tasty. So thanks for watching.